In today's video, I am going to teach you how to close all Google Chrome windows and tabs at once. Quick tip 4. First, make sure Google Chrome is the active program on your screen. If Chrome is not in focus, the shortcut will not affect it and you might accidentally close something else. You can bring Chrome to the front by clicking anywhere inside a Chrome window, such as the address bar area or an open tab. Now use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus Shift plus W. Press and hold the Control key. Press and hold the Shift key, and then press the W key. When you do this in Chrome on Windows, it closes the entire Chrome window. If you have multiple Chrome windows open, repeating the same shortcut will close the next window as well. In practice, this is the fastest way to close out everything you have open across all Chrome windows, because each window contains its own set of tabs. Be aware that closing a window this way also closes all tabs inside it immediately. If you have unsaved work in web apps, one more helpful tip is to let Chrome restore your session later if needed. If you reopen Chrome and it offers to restore pages, you can bring back what you closed. That can be useful if you closed everything quickly and then realized you still needed a tab. Use Ctrl plus Shift plus W whenever you want to close Chrome windows quickly and clear your workspace. And that is all there is to it.